Hey, Aidan Booth here. Welcome to the next video in the series that we've been filming, and I'm here today in Lake Lugano in Switzerland at the next stop on my road trip. And look, if you haven't already downloaded the book and the student stories, which get into much more detail of this amazing system that we're talking about, you can still do that today. In fact, you can get that on the very next page. But first, let me share something special that I've prepared for you. What you're going to be able to get today is a visual profit plan that goes into more detail of the 3 steps that we use in this system. It explains how you could potentially build this business for yourself and build a profitable business using this method in 2023. Now, the profit plan reveals how we've scaled our business from zero through to over $10,000 per day, and absolutely everything is revealed. Now, one of the things that I really love about this business model is it really has stood the test of time. I've been doing this for well over a decade now, and even with all the turmoil over the past couple of years, this business has just gone from strength to strength. So there really is a lot to love about this, and you're going to find out why this is so amazing when you download all the goodies that we've got for you here today. So look, regardless of what you might already be doing, perhaps you've already got a business that you're running, maybe you're looking to start something new from scratch, this is absolutely something that you can add into the mix. But it is really important that you download this today, because depending on when you're watching this video, there may only be a few hours left. So by putting your information into the box that you can see on the page, you'll also go in the draw to win $5,000 in cash, okay? But you need to do this quickly because there's not much more time left here. So do it right now, enter your information, and I'll see you on the other side.